In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer crypto from exchange to Trust Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily manage your crypto assets and transfer them from any exchange wallet that you have to Trust Wallet. For this video, I chose to use Binance as an example. However, the same general steps can be used for any other exchange as well. So, as a visual example, I'm using Binance. What you would have to do if you are on Binance as well is to go over to your wallets and find the withdraw option. You can do this on a mobile app or on PC. And of course, the same thing can be done with any other exchange. Just find withdraw. Now, usually you will get the option between crypto network and email, phone, or ID. You should always choose crypto network. So select crypto network and you will be able to input the address for your Trust Wallet, which I'm going to teach you how to acquire if you still don't have, then the amount, and then where to send the funds from, usually your primary wallet. You will see how much you have available, and finally how much you will be receiving on your Trust Wallet, and then the network fee that might be included. Double check everything, and if you still need to acquire the Trust Wallet address, open the application. This is what I recommend, and in here you can tap the receive option or tap on a specific crypto asset that you see on this list here. So either use the receive option at the middle of the screen here on the home page or select a crypto asset from the list. You will also find the receive option when you tap it. Now you will see a QR code that you can use to receive that asset, or you can copy the address, whatever you prefer. I recommend copying the address, and once you have it copied, you simply have to paste it here. With this done, choose the option to withdraw, and it is going to be transferred from the exchange to Trust Wallet, and this will work with any exchange. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from exchange to Trust Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.